On islands where fresh water is scarce, these small oases are meeting places where several ospreys can be found. A refreshing bath is always welcome, and at the same time serves to keep their plumage in perfect condition. It's a quiet spot to enjoy a well-deserved rest and dry off in the breeze and the sun. On the southern coast of El Hierro, the spring rains are scant and arrive very feebly, but they afford a truce to all the creatures who live in the shadows of these volcanoes. It's a good moment for the osprey, as it can preen without needing to leave its territory. The force of the sea has battered the north coast, leaving little rocky islands offshore. The Rock of Salmore evokes legends. Legends of a race of giant lizards believed to be extinct, and who have now returned to what was once their home. More than 100 of these giant reptiles inhabit the sharp and arid needle of basalt where everything is scarce. The rainwater is a gift from the skies. Very little usually falls, and it evaporates quickly.